Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a customer appreciation letter. What is a customer appreciation letter? Customer or client appreciation letter is a letter of expressing gratitude and thankfulness to your customers for continuing to choose your business. Showing customers that you value their business is a simple and effective way to delight your customers in the short term and develop deep brand loyalty in the long term. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a customer appreciation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the information about the sender of this letter. Here, you can write your full name and your organization name. Or, you can simply write the company name, it is just fine. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. You need to write the number, street address, city, state, and zip code. And of course, it is good if you also write your contact information like phone number or email address. After that, you can write the date of the letter. Here, use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is November 5, 2023. And write the information about the recipient of this letter. You need to write the full name of the customer or client. And under it, write the customer's home address. Always remember, when you write the address, don't forget to mention the number, street address, city, state, and zip code. Now, open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, start it with an appreciation. You can write how you would like to take a moment to thank the recipient for being your customer. In this example, the writer is the manager of a hotel. So, the writer thanked the recipient for his or her continued selection of the writer's hotel. Of course, you can compose your own words based on the service or products you sell. If it is about a hotel, thank them for choosing yours as their accommodations ought choices when they visit your city or county. In the second paragraph, state how delightful it is to serve the customers or clients. You can write something like you are truly one of our most loyal guests or customers or clients. And write clearly how it is always a pleasure and an honor to serve you. Or make it sound more powerful by writing that it is patrons such as yourself to whom we owe the success of this establishment. Yes, without customers, your business will not run. Therefore, make them feel like they are a part of your company growths. In the third paragraph, once again, show your appreciation towards the customer. For example, you can write my sincere appreciation of your patronage cannot be overstated. It will make the customer feel special. And promise something good in the future like you want to continue serve the best for the customer or so on. Of course, you can also give rewards like special price for the next visit, gift cards, or so on. This is optional, not a must. The most important one is, you show your sincere appreciation here. Write you want to assure the customer that you will continue to do all you can to justify the customer's confidence in your store or hotel or organization. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your occupation in the company. So, that's how you write a customer appreciation letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.